here's nothing we can do. When you try to pass a file to a function, if it goes something like this, which is, we'll call it void print results. And we're going to pass in our file, so upstream, output file stream, my file. And you must have a pass by reference to this in order for it to work properly. And this is the part we put. It's over here. And the reason why we must put a pass by reference is so anything we do to the file gets saved. And it's just a syntax thing too, because I think if you remove it, it wouldn't work properly. So I forgot to close it. You must put it over here. So if we leave it without the pass by reference, it might not work properly. Yeah, nothing happened. So it's a blank file over here. It's important to put pass by reference so it does work. Okay, so it turns out what happened is I never called the function. So what we pass here is first the file, which is called results in our case. It's the number itself. And just like before, we could try it without this. And the reason why it didn't work is because we didn't have pass by reference. It's important to put pass by reference for this to work properly. So there's no syntax error this time. So now we rerun it. And then it gets printed out over here. The result was 11. So that's how you pass a file to a function. You can declare a new one over here in the parameters, but make sure it's a pass by reference for it to work properly. And you treat it the same way like we did before. You output it to, instead of cout, you output it to a file.